How to change the default dialer app, and this is for the Poco X7 Pro phone with HyperOS 2. To find and change these settings, go ahead and use the quick access like this here and find the settings toggle, which is this one here. As you enter here, you will see all these options and go down until you see apps. So you're going to the one that says apps over here. Then when you reach this part, you'll see these three dots at the top right. Tap on that one time and go to other settings. As you're in the other settings area, you'll see default apps. And from here, you'll look for the one that says dial right there. Now, if you go here and this is your first time, you'll notice that you only probably see this one here, the system one, which is the Google default dialer here. But if you want others, you can just go to the Play Store, install them, get the free ones. And if it's compatible, it will appear here under this section. And then you can just choose another dialer app and that'll save you some trouble and get a new dialer app on your phone like it's